Alright guys, we got some more raised beds that we put up. We had to do this voiceover because the wind was so strong outside that you couldn't hear me. And now that I'm inside, you might even be able to hear it inside. It's so strong. But this is a 16-foot box, and we got it 11 inches high. And it's adjustable after we get it leveled up and straightened up where we want it. We can attach boards to the end and stabilize it. And this is another little bed here for cucumbers. It's about 20 inches wide, 7 inches high, and about 6 feet long. And we got these fence panels put in there, so the beans are going here. So the beans and the cucumbers can go up the fence here. And we're going to use the lasagna layer method on this. You put the cardboard down, and then some sticks, and then some leaves, and then all that right here. And where this is, we got a stake that's going to go down because the dirt's going to be pushing out on them, and we don't want them to bulge out. So we're going to put a stake in right there to secure them as they are 16 feet long. So we hope we're going to have a lot better luck with these this year. We've been gardening in this spot on and off for years. I don't know if the soil is depleted or not, so we've sort of moved everything around and rotated. We're going to see how this works out this year. This soil here has been known to be really good soil in the past, but I don't know if we've worn it out over the years. Moved stuff around, but just been having problems trying to get stuff to grow good, so we're switching it up, and this is what we're going to do this year. And in the next clip coming up, you will see that in the bottom of the bed we put the cardboard, and then we put sticks down too.
Okay, just wanted to give an update here. We are filling the beds. Right now we got cardboard in there, and now we're putting the sticks in. We're doing the lasagna method. Sorry I'm out of breath because we've been dragging sticks out of the wood. Yes, there is one little sheet of the roofing thing to cover a little sliver that we didn't have enough cardboard, but you get the idea. So after this we will put leaves in there and then some compost dirt. Alright, we got our tree branches in the boxes, and now we're just wetting them down real good. Maybe a little more over on this one. Found some good logs in the woods. The next layer will be leaves. Alright, we've got the next layer of leaves. Some of them are decomposing that have been a few years that they're underneath. And we're going to wet those down. And then next step is some dirt that we've had sitting around. We're going to put that on there, and then we'll see how much we need for the top. Hopefully not too much. Alright.
Alright guys, as you can see, we got some dirt in here with the leaves. We got the cardboard down, then we put the sticks down, then we put the leaves in, put water out in each stage of that, and then we came in and put the dirt over top. And we got more dirt. First we'll probably cover it all with dirt real good, and then we'll go over it with another thin layer of leaves, and then we'll fill it to the top with dirt the rest of the way. You got you something to play with, Wally Bear? You got you something to play with? What you got, buddy? What you got? Oh boy, you don't want to play with me? You don't want to play with me? You wanna play with me? Good boy. Good boy. I don't know what's our next gig. Do you know right now, honey?
Nope.
Alright, for Wiley and company, we're out. We'll catch you on the next video in a couple of days.